In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on toggle keys on your ASUS laptop, a desktop computer, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down to interaction and select keyboard. And then there should be an item that says toggle keys. Play a sound when you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.